Hi, welcome to Money Absolute. If you are interested in investing in US, then watch this video till the end. Many of the well-known big companies are from US. For example, YouTube on which you are watching this video is from US. Google, Twitter, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Apple, Walmart, Colgate, Gillette, Nike, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Starbucks, and many others are from US. And you can invest in these companies from India also. If you are also interested in investing in Europe, Japan, Brazil, Korea, Hong Kong, you can check out the videos in information tab in the right corner of the screen. One of the reasons to invest in US is for diversification. So what is diversification? Do you know this quote? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. In investments, this means you should not concentrate all your investments in one asset class or one country. You can lose everything if something happens to that basket. So diversification is essential to your investments. US dollar has natural hedge against Indian rupee. That means Indian rupee has been steadily depreciating for last 100 years. I won't be discussing more on this in this video, but if you want me to make a video, just comment. In 1925, 1 US dollar was equal to 2 rupees 93 paise. In 2020, 1 US dollar is equal to 76 rupees. That means Indian rupee has steadily depreciated for last 95 years by 3.45%. This is really shocking, but as investors, we can make huge profits by just investing in US dominated assets. So it is like free 3.45% every year if you invest in US assets, and which better way to get exposure than US equity. US Nasdaq index has given returns of 36.93% in last 1 year, 21.52% in last 5 years in rupee terms. Compare that to NSE India index, which has given minus 12.42% in 1 year and 5.94% per annum in last 5 years. And if you compare this with gold, gold has given 37.34% in 1 year, 11.78% per annum in last 5 years, and 8.6% per annum in last 10 years. This is a clear-cut example why every investor should diversify their investments and should allocate some portion of their investments to US equities. How can you as an investor take exposure to US equity? There are two ways. First, direct buying of equity in US markets, and second, US feeder funds. A feeder fund is a mutual fund which invests in foreign mutual funds. In this case, a Indian mutual fund exclusively invests in US mutual funds. Franklin Templeton, Invesco, Motilal Oswal, DSP, ICICI Prudential offers feeder fund which directly invest in US markets. If you want to invest in US equities directly, you can open a demat account with HDFC Securities, ICICI Securities, Axis Securities. Even you can check out Zerodha as they are in process to get US investing to their clients. Also, you can try foreign brokers such as Interactive Brokers, Vested Finance. These options are expensive and I recommend you to invest through feeder funds as of now. If you have any questions, leave them in comment section. And if you want to invest in Europe or in Hong Kong or in Brazil, you can watch video suggestions in the end. Thanks for watching Money Absolute, and do subscribe and hit bell icons for notifications.